Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have swatches of 3 beautiful random polishes that I recently bought from Hypnotic Polish. All of them are thermal indie polishes and they are truly amazing. If you are interested to see them, then please keep on watching. So the first one is Lullaby from Cadillacquer, and this is a dark blue to purple to light green 3 thermal with different sizes matte cotton candy pink glitter. This shade was love at first sight. It is so unique and so pretty, I literally have no words to describe it. The formula is great here, you don't have to fish a lot to get large glitters, and they are spread evenly on the nail, which is amazing. I applied 3 coats for full opacity, but that is not a problem for me, to be honest. Usually with cream polishes, I don't like when I need to make 3 coats because it's kind of a lot for me. But in this case, when the nail polish is so beautiful, I could make even 10 because, I just love to paint my nails with these nail polishes. And this has to be one of the most beautiful nail polishes that I own, if not the most beautiful. I just truly love it. The next one is Wind of Change from Bow Polish, and this is a dark purple to sky blue 3 thermal with a bit of hollow in it. This one is absolutely stunning. I was making 2 to 3 coats depending on the nail and the thickness of a coat. I love how original it is and how it has a bit of hollow in it, which gives that additional sparkle. The formula was amazing on this one, so easy to work with, and it has kind of a satin finish, so you would need to use a top coat if you want it to be shiny. And last but not least, we have Illusions from Bow Polish as well. And this is a brick orange to gray with marble stone effect. This one also has an amazing formula. I believe that I needed 2 coats when I was using it. I don't really remember how it was with swatches, but anyways, for the swatches, sometimes I use more than what I need basically for everyday life. But anyways, this one was good in 2 coats and it has a very interesting finish, to be honest. And I love the way it looks. It changes the color very easily as the previous ones as well. And I really like it. So that's it for today. I hope you liked that little swatch video, even if there are only 3 nail polishes, but to be honest, they are worth it. I try to buy more from indie brands because they have such unique and beautiful shades, but they're also way more expensive, so I'm not able to be up to date with all of the collections. But still, once in a while, I will be able to present you some indie brands, as I think I don't give them enough love on my channel. So once again, I hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!